Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're excited about diving into the endless world of Disney Plus in 2025, with its fresh updates, exclusive content, and enhanced streaming features, you're in the right place. Today, I'm going to guide you through the simple steps to sign up, so you can start watching your favorite movies and shows in no time. Let's jump right in. First, grab your device and head over to the official Disney Plus website at disneyplus.com, or download the app from your app store. It's available for iOS, Android, and smart TVs. Once you're there, look for the prominent Sign Up button and give it a click. This is your gateway to all the magic. Next, you'll need to create an account. Enter a valid email address and choose a strong, secure password. Pro tip: use a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols to keep your account safe, especially with the new 2025 security features like two-factor authentication. Now, select your subscription plan. Disney Plus in 2025 offers options like the basic plan with ads for a lower price, or the premium ad-free version with 4K UHD and HDR. Think about how much you want to watch and pick what fits your budget. There might even be bundle deals with Hulu or ESPN Plus. After that, you'll be asked to add a payment method. This could be a credit card, debit card, or services like PayPal. Double-check the details to avoid any hiccups, and remember, Disney Plus often has promotional offers for new users. Finally, verify your email by checking your inbox for a confirmation link from Disney. Click it, and you're all set. You can now log in and start exploring everything from classic Disney films to the latest Marvel and Star Wars releases. A few quick tips. If you run into any issues, make sure your device is updated, and check for any regional restrictions. Also, if you're a student, look for discounts to save some cash. Thanks for watching, folks. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button, subscribe for more tech guides, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. See you in the next one.